One of my favorite parts of working at ZLINE is beyond the people. The people is probably always going to be my favorite part, but I think it's how every role you can kind of push the boundaries, more so than at any other company. There's less red tape, there's less kind of executives needing to make decisions. You kind of can just make a decision and have confidence in it and go for it.
I think people that succeed here are people that are really highly motivated, that have very big ambitions, that want to be challenged, and also want to see what they can do if they're pushed.
My favorite part about working at ZLINE is that we really are a family. It's like one big family of people that work here, and it's so special to me because when I moved here, I didn't have any family and I don't have many people here. So getting to come into work every day and feel like I'm a part of a family and part of something so much bigger than me is just so special to me, and I really think that's my favorite part.
I think a ZLINE person is, different types of things. And I think at the core of it all is someone who's ready for a challenge, someone who knows when things are difficult, they're ready to work, someone who is ready to celebrate other people and success, someone who's always ready to be a booster, people who are always ready to be a leader too. I think, you know, there's a certain level of just like this sort of manic creative genius who excels in some way that kind of we find ourselves working with here. And that's amazing because it manifests itself in different ways, but at its core, it's kind of that same energy to just succeed and excel and kind of kick doors down, and then bringing that together in a whole army of those types of people.
I think ZLINE has shown me that I'm unstoppable and I have the qualities to be unstoppable and have the confidence now to do everything I was always able to do, but now I know I can do it.
We have a lot of personalities here, I'm sure you kind of know, so it's not like you have to have a set personality to fit in with ZLINE, but really what you need to bring to the table is just hard work. You want to come here and crank every day. I mean, we talk about cranking all the time, but it's not just a word, but I mean, it's something we live by at ZLINE. So even if it's the sales team, the creative team, everybody you see in all the departments are always cranking on stuff.
There's always a great openness here, and you really feel it from our leadership to be able to, you know, voice your opinion, try new things, and they'll stand behind you and really allow you to really push the boundaries and to make this company better.